I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Are you wet yet? If not, chances are you soon will be. Wednesday was a good reminder of what summer heat in Oklahoma is like. Granfield topped out at 107 degrees. 12 Mesonet sites hit 100 or more. Wednesday's heat also pushed up soil temperatures. On a map of bare soil temperatures at 4 inches at 6 p.m. Wednesday, it was surprising how high the temperatures were across the state. Lots of 90-plus temperatures, with Mangum at 103. That's hot for a soil temperature 4 inches below the surface in early June. Under vegetation, the 4-inch soil temperature for Mangum was 11 degrees cooler, 92. This really points to how a layer of organic mulch cools Oklahoma's summer soils. Another aspect of Oklahoma's summer heat is how it puts an added stress on livestock. A cattle comfort map from 4:25 p.m. Wednesday had 33 Mesonet sites at 100 or above on the cattle comfort index values. These sites were scattered across Oklahoma from east to west and south to north. Granfield and Woodward were at 106. Here's Gary with the latest on Oklahoma's official drought levels.
Thanks, Al, and good morning, everybody. We've certainly had some great rains over the last couple of weeks, so let's take a look at the drought monitor and see how things have changed. Well, we did see some nice drought reductions across northern Oklahoma, including the central panhandle, and also down in southwestern Oklahoma. But at the same time, we saw increases in drought across southern Oklahoma up into central Oklahoma. Take a look at this Mesonet rainfall map for May. We had a high rainfall total of 7.65 inches down at Mount Herman, and in southeastern Oklahoma they generally got from 5 to 7 inches of rainfall. But we also had a low of 0.51 inches in Freedom in northwestern Oklahoma, where we had some of the lowest totals. The statewide average for May was 3.06 inches, which sounds good, but that's still 2.15 inches below normal. And that's also the 28th driest May since records began in 1895. The May percent of normal map from the Mesonet shows where there were abundant rains, and we can see that down in the southwest, out in the panhandle, and then scattered about southeastern Oklahoma, but also where most of the state actually went without good rains. Now, the state was also mostly warmer than normal for much of the area. Officially, it was 1.2 degrees above normal, or the 39th warmest May since 1895. That's also the first month since last fall that we've seen above normal temperatures at the end of the month. So it's been a while since we've had a warmer than normal month. Now, this departure from normal temperature map from the Mesonet shows that northwestern Oklahoma, where those drought conditions really started to blossom during May. So again, we're expecting big rains this weekend, and hopefully we can improve that drought map even more across more areas, especially down in southern Oklahoma, where drought's really starting to take off once again. That's it for this week. We'll see you next week on the Mesonet Weather Report.